Okay, I'm in Fireworks and I've got my web design ready. I'm going to save it with a simple name in its own folder. And now I'm going to use this tool here, the slice tool. I'm going to slice over everything that I want to turn into a button. You can see these lines spring up, which show you how the page is going to be chopped up. You can see I'm trying to choose the same lines as before. Cover up this picture as a separate image. I'm carefully making sure I don't overlap these green areas. Okay. And then when I'm ready, I use the export wizard. And I say yes, it's a web page. Yep. And now I'm going to choose JPEG quality as the choice rather than GIF to export. And again, choose same folder. And I'm going to make sure that I choose HTML and images, export the HTML, export the slice bits up, selected slices, no, don't want on all the slices, include areas without slices, current page only, yeah, that's all good. I might say put images in a subfolder. It's going to create a folder to put all the pictures in. Export. And now go to pictures, web. You can see I've got a web page and a bunch of pictures to go in it. Double click on the web page and there we go. You can see that it's sliced up each of my pictures into a separate box, echoing what I'd sliced up.